Ciara Michelle TV. Subscribe and like, please. Hey guys, so in this video, I just want to show you guys me transforming my balcony, literally from being plain and blah to just being my little zen area. And so let's get into it. So first off, when it came to like buying my balcony furniture, I bought my balcony furniture from Amazon. It was rather affordable. I couldn't find anything this price in store. A lot of things were out of stock. You know, Dylan and earlier this year, everything was out of stock. So a lot of things are getting back in stock and it's looking like it's affordable. But when I was trying to buy my balcony furniture, it wasn't. So yeah, I bought my balcony furniture from Amazon and I believe I got everything for less than $200, and I'll leave like a screenshot on the screen so you guys can see what I'm talking about. My balcony furniture is black. It's like a woven like thing. So I'm hoping that this will be sturdy. Your girl done gained a few pounds, so I'm hoping that this will be a little sturdy. Before we get into the next clip, I would like to include some bloopers of me literally breaking a chair in my last apartment. So in this place, we gotta do better. And yeah, take a look. I like that it's black because I can change out like the pillows if I want to for different seasons. For Halloween, if I wanted to put some pumpkins and orange out there, I can do that. If I wanted to change it up for winter and put some red pillows out there for, you know, I can just change it up. And I really like that it's black because I feel like it's universal. I was either gonna do black or I was gonna do like something like a bistro setup, you know. When it came to like getting the stuff to decorate the balcony, I got a lot of my stuff from Target. So I am going to include that Target clip here. So at Target, I was able to find some really cute indoor and outdoor decor pieces, especially in their dollar section. I literally would sleep on it until this trip. Like whenever I go to Target, I gotta check out their dollar section. It's super affordable, and then their overall like home decor section is just super like my vibe. It was so many beautiful things. I literally just wanted to buy all my apartment like decor pieces from here in this one visit, but I couldn't. So I'm definitely going to be coming back here, and you guys are definitely going to see more Target hauls. Okay, so I am about to get everything together, and I got some scissors, and we're going to open everything, unpack everything, and just see how everything fits outside. So once I unpack this, I'm going to start like trying to see how the setup will be outside. So let's get into it. I got this trash can from Target. It is $7, as you can see. A champagne bucket. I thought this was super cute. And this will go in the outdoor patio. And then I got these lanterns. These have like LED, like fake LED lights up inside of those. And each of these are only $5 from Target, and I got 3 of them to go on my balcony to provide some, you know, some light, a little vibe. So that's 1, 2, 3 of those. And then I just got like another pack of LED candles just in case these burn out or if they were not like bright enough, but they seem like they're okay. I just want them to be dim. I want a little vibe when I go out there. So I'm gonna just put these up. I think I'm gonna just put these like where my detergent and stuff is. So I know this probably doesn't look like much, but it will all tie together at the end. I got these like these faux lemons. So this was only $3 from Target, if it focuses. Yeah, these were only $3 from Target. And to tie in that yellow lemon like theme, these would like go into this jar. And I just have some knickknacks in here. This was from the dollar store. A fan for outside. It's black. Then this is right here. This is to hold paper and stuff down when I'm outdoors. And it says good things take time. And then this was only $3. And I got this from the dollar section at Target. And I think this was super cute. And it's golden, so I feel like that went well with the lemon theme. So when I am drawing something, I'll just put that down to keep it from blowing away. Then I don't know why I got this, but I got it. And this is just pretty much like a candle. It's from this brand that I like inside of Target. Let me see. I like this smell. It kind of reminds me of old people, but it also reminds me of a man. So a mixture between a man and an old person. Yeah, this kind of reminds me of either a man or an old person. And I like it. I don't know if we can have fire and stuff on our balcony because I am so far up. I remember them telling me something about like being fined if I had like been smoking or different things on the balcony. I know for sure I cannot smoke upstairs, like on the rooftop, but I don't know if I can. I don't even know why I'm debating this in my head because I don't even smoke. But this is how this smells. I might put this in my bathroom. So that's that. I'll keep that in there. Just different knickknacks right now. And the basket cost $5 from Target. And in this basket, I can like carry food if I want to carry food outside or whatever. I can just put in this basket and leave everything on the table outside. I thought that was pretty cute. Also, when it came to like decorations and to tie in the lemon yellow color, I got some pillows from Amazon. So I got 2 of these like rectangle fluffy pillows for the outside. I don't think I'll have to worry about wind or anything blowing it over, but I am thinking about like getting something to keep them attached to the chair. I don't know if I have to worry about that because it hasn't really been that windy, but yeah. I think I love these. These are super bright. When I come outside, I want to be like kind of motivated. I want to draw, paint, you know, be in my little atmosphere outside. And I'm really excited about like my morning routines and stuff, being outside and just getting my mental together. So yeah, these are my pillows. And then y'all seen my plant before. My plant has been growing. My aloe vera plant, I feel like it needs to be repotted. But I'm gonna put this stuff outside too, along with my other plant. My plant is kind of, this plant right here is kind of dying. So I'm gonna look up some stuff, and I don't even know what type of plant this is, but it's like something was eating at the leaves or something weird. I don't know. But I was doing good. Like I was watering it like every other day. Now it's like dying. And then my aloe vera plant is growing, but it's also looking kind of nasty. So I'm gonna try to water them today. I've been gone for the weekend. So I'm gonna water them today, put them outside, and look up some stuff to grow them. Maybe crack some eggs. You know, back in the day, my granny used to crack eggs and put them up in her soil. So maybe I need to do that. I might need to repot it. I'm definitely gonna buy another pot today. Not today, probably in the next few days when I go like shopping. I'm gonna try to get a pot for my plant to match my furniture and everything outside, and to also just make it look better. But I'm a little sad about my plant dying. Like, can y'all see? It's dying. Like, can you see over here? Right here. So this is everything like put together. I got another chair, but this is like one chair plus the little table. And it's gonna go outside. I just got it right here right now, but I'm about to get up and put everything outside. I just want y'all to like see it a little.
I love that Japanese sweet tea. I love him in every way that a woman can love a man, from personal to universal. But
really, I didn't think the balcony was that big, but I guess it is. Everything's set up right there. And I guess right here, I could work out in the morning if I wanted to. Do a little something right here. Or just lay down, I don't know. But either way, it needs to be clear because the door is right here. But I want to get a like outdoor rug maybe. Or like a yoga mat. I feel like if I had a yoga mat, I would probably come out here and stretch in the morning. But it was time I put something out on the balcony and I finally did that. So that is done. And yeah, what else is there to do? And I think that's all. I just need like an outdoor rug. You made it to the end of this video. That's what's up. Go ahead and like it, subscribe, and let's watch another video.